Good morning, and welcome to the graduation ceremony for the 2021 graduating class of Scholars Academy Middle School. The past 16 months have been incredibly challenging. With the continuously changing guidelines for health and safety, this event was far from a certainty. So before we begin, we need to take a moment to celebrate the fact that we are able to be here today in person to celebrate this incredible milestone for our graduates together. Can we have a round of applause to celebrate this incredible event? I came in this morning and was blown away by the transformation of the schoolyard. It looks incredible. The weather is absolutely beautiful. We could not have asked for better. This is an incredible, incredible moment, and I am so excited to be here today after this challenging year. So before I continue with my speech, I do want to ask for your cooperation, because this is historical. Last year, we were not able to come together in person. Our celebration, although beautiful, was virtual. This is tremendous. A tremendous milestone for our school community and for all of us as society. We are starting to see the sun shine again and coming together. So we want to capture this moment. And this might take a few minutes, but please bear with me as we'd like to capture this special moment through an aerial photo shoot. Mr. Racinos, our amazing media teacher and photographer, is up on the roof. I can't see him from my angle. Up, there he is. He's over there right now. So I'm going to ask all of you if you could look up at Mr. Racinos. He is going to take a few shots so we can capture this very, very special day. Please look up at Mr. Racinos. He'll be moving and taking a few different angles. Why don't we give him one with a nice wave? It's so important that we capture this. These past couple of years, these past couple of months are historical. We are back. So thank you for cooperating with this. I can't really see where he is. Let's see, has he moved? So let's give him a wave again. He wants to make sure he gets everyone on the other side. Careful, Mr. Racinos. Don't make me nervous. All right. Thank you so much. Let's have a round of applause. Thank you, Mr. Racinos. Congratulations, graduates, families. We are so excited to be here today. I also need to take a moment to recognize and thank our incredible faculty for their unwavering commitment to the students in this school. A very, very special thank you in particular to the team that planned this event, every single detail. This was not an easy event to plan. We lucked out with the weather, but there were lots of contingency plans in place, lots of health and safety protocols. So a tremendous, tremendous amount of time and energy went into planning this, and I do want to ask everyone to please give a big round of applause to the amazing team who put this together. I also must express my gratitude for the families, for your trust and support for the past year and a half. This has not been easy, but I cannot thank you enough for your patience and flexibility through these very challenging times. Together, we did it, and we supported these amazing graduates to be here today. So please, a round of applause for the amazing families of the Scholars Academy community. Thank you. Graduates, I am so proud of you. You have completed a very significant milestone, and it is an honor to be able to stand up here today on behalf of the entire faculty, particularly the 8th grade faculty, but all of us, and offer you our hearty congratulations. But don't forget, you didn't do it alone. I do want to encourage you to take some time today and in the next week to appreciate the people who supported you along the way. Say thank you to your families, your teachers, and your friends. We need each other, particularly during challenging times like this. So please, as they celebrate you for your accomplishments, let them know that you recognize their contributions to your success. Right before I took over as principal, right before we learned that we were living through a global pandemic and all schools transitioned immediately to remote learning, the word resilience was added to our school's vision and mission statement. Resilience is the capacity to recover from difficulties or toughness. It could not have been more meaningful or have been added at a more significant time. Middle school is a very important time within your life. It's the period between being a child and a teenager or young adult. Your middle school experience included tremendous challenges. You faced obstacles throughout your middle school years, a storm, if you will. Louisa May Alcott once said, "I am not afraid of storms, for I am learning to sail my ship." You have learned to sail your ship through quite a storm, and you have proved that you are resilient. The sun is shining today, and so many signs are showing us that the storm is finally passing. But the truth is, you will face many more storms throughout your life, hopefully not quite as big as this one. You've now learned early that you have the strength and resilience to sail your ship through whatever storm that comes your way. As you move on to high school, I hope that you take advantage of every opportunity that is presented to you. Remember that you are the one steering your ship. Put yourself out there and get involved. Take advantage both inside and outside of the classroom. Make new friends, get to know your teachers well, and participate as much as you can in extracurricular activities. I wish you all clear skies and calm seas through your high school journey. Graduates, congratulations to all of you. Whether you are staying with us in September or moving on to a new school, never forget, you are Scholars Strong and Rockaway Resilient. Congratulations, Seawolves. Thank you so much.